SINCEREFIRST is a leading innovator and manufacturer in the camera module industry, with a strong focus on research and development as the driving force behind our success. Our team of highly skilled art and engineers brings designs and technologies to life, enabling us to develop products such as endoscope camera modules, MIPI camera modules, and USB camera modules that meet the high industry standards. At SINCEREFIRST, we pride ourselves on offering a fully integrated production and sales ecosystems, from initial design and R&D to prototyping, manufacturing, and global distribution. We maintain complete control over the entire process. This ensures fast innovation cycles, superior quality, and cost-effective solutions for our clients. Our independent factories are equipped with highly automated production lines, allowing us to achieve consistent quality, high efficiency, and scalable output.